Hello, my friends and my students. Welcome back my YouTube channel Macrox Engineering. Myself Jignesh Rana. I am working as assistant professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, which is situated at Navsari. Our college is affiliated to Gujarat Technical University, Gandhinagar. Today we are discuss the problem about a chem profile part 2. Today we are discuss about a roller follower. Okay, so construct a cam with minimum radius of 30 mm, rotating clockwise at a uniform speed is to be designed to give a roller follower at the end of the wall road. Motion described below. Number 1, to raise the wall to 50 mm during 120-degree rotation of the cam. Second, to keep the wall fully raised through next 30-degree. To lower the wall during next 60-degree. And to keep the wall closed during rest of the revolution 150-degree. The diameter of the roller follower is 20 mm and the diameter of camshaft is 25 mm. Draw the profile of the cam when the line of stroke of the wall passes to the axis of the camshaft. The displacement of the wall being raised and lower is to take place with simple harmonic motion. Hello my friends and my students, welcome back my YouTube channel Macrox Engineering. Today we have to draw a cam profile. Okay, it means how to draw cam profile. Now follower is here, roller follower. In previous video lecture we have to draw a knife edge follower. Today we are drawing a practice drawing of a roller follower. So what is the data of this problem? So construct a cam with a minimum radius of 30 mm rotating clockwise at a uniform speed is to be designed to give a roller follower at the end of wall roll. Motion described below. Number 1, to raise the wall through 50 mm during 120-degree rotation of the cam. To second, to keep wall fully raised to next 30-degree. To lower the wall during next 60-degree. And the 4, to keep the wall closed during the rest of the revolution 150-degree. The diameter of roller is 20 mm. The diameter of camshaft is 25 mm. Draw the profile of cam when the line of stroke of the wall rod is passing through the axis of the camshaft. The displacement of the wall while being raised and lowered is to take place with simple harmonic motion. Okay, so it means this is the problem of IC engine, inlet and operate inlet and exhaust valve. Okay. So first of all, what is given? The minimum radius of the cam 30 mm. The base circle radius is 30 mm. Then is rotating clockwise. It means cam rotation is clockwise. So we have to draw cam profile in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now to raise the wall. First motion to raise the wall 50 mm. It means here follower lift is given 50 mm through 120-degree rotation of the cam, and at that time follower take place simple harmonic motion. Then second, to keep the wall fully raised, next 30-degree. It means 30-degree तक वो अपना follower raise ही रहेगा, stable रहेगा. It means zero movement. Then return stroke. It means to lower the wall during next 60-degree. It means wall अपने original position में 60-degree तक आ जाएगा. And at that time motion follower motion take place simple harmonic motion. And to keep the wall closed during rest of revolution, यानी कि बाकी जो हमारी डिग्री बची है उसमें 150-degree वहां पे follower stable रहेगा. Now the diameter of roller is 20 mm and the diameter of the camshaft. Diameter of the roller. This is the diameter of the roller. Radius, so diameter of the roller, okay, dr, and the diameter of camshaft is 25 mm. Okay, so this is the problem of roller follower. Okay, so it is very important for exam point of view. Okay, so first of all we have to draw, as per in previous video lecture, simple procedure, displacement diagram. First of all, we are taking a scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 degree. आपको जितना चाहे आप अपने हिसाब से ले सकते हैं. You take some your suitable scale. Okay? So मैंने यहाँ पे 1 centimeter 20 degree. मेरा हमेशा यही रहा 1 centimeter 20 degree. Okay? Now first step, draw OS. It means फर्स्ट स्टेप है वो OS, इट मीन्स वो 360 डिग्री। ओके, सो उसके हिसाब से हमें काउंट करेंगे तो कितना होगा 18 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, सो अपने अपने you have to draw 18 centimeter line, draw OS, then next draw S is equal to 50 mm vertically from point O. You have to draw 50 mm. Okay, then make a rectangles. Okay, then next third step is divide 6 equal part of OP and QR. Okay, it means first OP. Here OP, it means follower rays. Theta O, how much? 120 degree. It means it's a 6 centimeter. Theta D, उसे कुछ मेजर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to draw so PQ 30 degree, 1.5 centimeter. Okay, and last then QR 60 degree, 60 by 20, so 3 centimeter. And last one is RS 150 degree. Okay, 7.5 centimeter. So you don't know need the 7.5 centimeter. You like just a breaking line. Okay, आपको ये ड्रॉ करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ये भी 1.5 mm इस 1.5 सेंटीमीटर इजी है, लेकिन इसको ब्रेक करेगी, उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ नेक्स्ट. ओके, सॉरी ये स्टेप वहां पर पहले आ गया. ओके, फिर उसके बाद ये स्टेप है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. हम इसको लिखेंगे नंबर 7, नंबर 6, नंबर 5, नंबर 4 एंड नंबर 3. ओके, डिवाइड 6 equal parts of OP and QR. Okay, so हम उसको 6 equal part करेंगे. बहुत ही सिंपल है. 6 and 6 equal. So we have to draw a vertical line. Okay, so now then name 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and then 6. 1, 2. Okay, then again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Theta, so it's a 120 degree, 6 centimeter. Theta D, it's a 30 degree. Theta return 60 degree. Okay, and theta D is a 150 degree. Okay. Then you have 6 equal part 3 centimeter. So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 6 times you have to draw that vertical line. Now forward motion. Okay. Now forward is for simple harmonic motion, यानी कि sine curve. Okay. So first of all we have to draw a semicircle. Okay. Then first S is the diameter. Okay. S is the diameter and midpoint. Take a midpoint, center, and draw a semicircle. And draw semicircle. Okay, then draw center line first of all. Okay, then divide 6 equal parts. तो हम क्या करेंगे 6 पर? एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे लेंगे, एक आर्क यहाँ पे मारेंगे, फिर एक आर्क यहाँ पे लगेगा, दूसरा आर्क यहाँ पे लगेगा. ओके, नाउ okay, name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now From point 1, draw a line पैरेलल टू OS। ये 1 पॉइंट से OS से पैरेलल लाइन हम ड्रॉ करेंगे। ओके, then next same as from point 2 parallel to draw line horizontal line parallel to OS। Then from point 3, from 4.4, then from point 5, okay, understand clearly? Okay, what we have? First of all, S is the follower, is the lift of the follower, S 50 mm. Okay, so make a semicircle. Okay, then divide 6 equal parts. Okay, then label the name 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 12. Then from point 1 draw horizontal line which is parallel to OS. Same, repeat this process, repeat again from point 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, then next make a point. Then make a point. From point 1 is horizontal and vertical. They intersect at this point. Same, 2 vertical and horizontal. 3 and 3. Horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. Same again process. Clear, understood? What we have done for make a point, one horizontal line and one vertical line. They intersect point 2 and 2 horizontal vertical. Same process up to 12 points. Okay. Now these points have to join by a smooth freehand curve, or we are using a French curve. Okay. So it curves like a simple harmonic motion. Okay, so now first name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. Okay, so we are using a French curve or freehand curve smoothly. You have to draw. So this is a simple harmonic motion curve, sine curve. Okay. So first step is complete. Okay, so follow this procedure. Okay, both simple and easy. Now we have to draw cam profile. Okay, so first of all, what is given? The diameter of cam shaft 25 mm. So हमें DC diameter of cam shaft. Then base circle it is 30 mm. Okay. Okay, chalo. And next what? Roller diameter. So first of all, make a center line. Okay. Then make a roller. So you have used a divider. I have used a ring. One ring. Okay, so roller diameter. So now we have to use okay. Okay. So now, so this is a cam circle. Camshaft circle, 25 mm diameter. This is the 60 mm diameter, 30 mm radius. Okay. Then next, first step simple. Draw camshaft circle 25 mm. Then cam circle 60 mm diameter. Then as a roller circle 20 mm. It's a roller follower. Diameter is the 20 mm. Okay. Simple steps complete. Now make a cam angle. Now make a cam angle. First of all, 120 degree. Now this is a radial follower because the follower axis is passed to the axis of the camshaft. Okay. So now 120 degree. So measure from point in anti-clockwise direction because the cam rotation is given in this problem is the clockwise direction. So we have to draw a cam profile in opposite direction, means anti-clockwise directions. Okay. So first of all, make a 120 degree. So from point you have to use a protractor to make an angle. So 190 plus 30. Okay. 120 degree. Then 30 degree. 12. Okay. Then 60 degree. So 120, 30, 150, 30. Okay. Now next one. Divide a 6 equal part of this cam angle. Okay. So first of all, this is a theta O. This is theta D. This is theta R, and that is theta D. Okay. So it's a 120 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, and 150 degree. Okay. Now divide 6 equal parts. Okay. So इसके 6 equal part कैसे करेंगे हम? Simply 120 by 6, 20 degree. Okay. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Okay. Then what happened? We have to draw a line from this point and okay, now we extend this line. Carefully, we have to draw. Okay. Then next, 30 degree divide. So it's not a requirement to divide 6 equal parts. Then next return, we divide 6 equal parts. Okay. 60 by 6. Okay. Then next what happened? Then again 12. So no requirement of. Okay. Then next you have to draw a ruler. Sorry, first of all make a point. 1A from the displacement diagram we have to measure 1A to by using the divider. Divider से हम 1A measure करेंगे and first of all is giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then we are measuring 1A and make a R here. 1A. Measure 2B, put the point 2 and make a R. Then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, 11. Okay. Now from this point we have to draw a circle. Okay. So you have to draw a roller circle. Roller diameter. I have used a ring for circle. Okay. Sometimes we have used half circle. Okay, it's also चलेगा, वो भी चलेगा. Okay, so on this point as a center, A B C D up to N was of center है. A B C D E F G H I J K L and M. तो ये हमारा सिंपल हो गया. Okay. चलो. Then next we have to draw okay. Now so we have to draw a curve using French curve. You have to draw a curve, touch this circle, touch the circle. Okay. Touch the circle. So this is your complete cam profile. Okay. Then we have to draw a prime circle, pitch curve. तो कैसे हम उसको सेंटर में से पास करेंगे? जीगनेस में okay, so pitch curve came profile. Okay, also we will make a circle known as a prime circle. Okay, so this is a complete came profile. Okay, so it's a very simple and steps. Okay, again I repeat. First of all, draw came subcircle. Then after draw came circle. Then draw a roller follower 20 mm because the rodeo follower, because all our axis is passed through the came axis of the came shaft. Then divide angle, make an angle 120 degree, 30, 60 and 150. Then divide 6 equal part of 120 degree and 60 degree. Okay, then make a point, then draw a line. Okay, then next after from the displacement diagram we have to make a point from 1A. We have to measure 1A. Then after up to same procedure up to point R 12. Then all this point is a center and make a roller and make a roller diameter. Okay, so make a roller. Okay, अब ये सब पॉइंट पे से आप रोलर बनाइए. Then we have to draw a curve and join the roller. अब ऐसे इसको join करना पड़ेगा. Okay, then make a then after draw pitch curve and make a prime circle. Okay, so it's a very simple and easy. I hope you get it. You have to more practice. Okay. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना ही पड़ेगा तभी जाके आपके मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर में आपको बताया कि 15 मिनट्स में आपको कंप्लीट करना है ये. ओके, हमारा ये टास्क हम स्पीड में ड्रॉ करेंगे तो एटलीस्ट हमें 30 मिनट से 45 मिनट लगेंगे जो प्रैक्टिस करने के टाइम. मतलब जैसे जैसे प्रैक्टिस बढ़ेगी हम अपना टाइम रिड्यूस करेंगे. ओके, एंड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ओके, सो आई होप यू गेट इट वेरी वेल. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.